a chroeso, dyn ni nôl unwaith eto I edrych yn ôl ar wersi cariad at iaith y llynedd.
A cofiwch, ydych chi'n gallu lawrlwythio, you can download the script o'r wefan
s4c.co.uk/hub. Croeso nôl. Diolch am ymuno â ni unwaith eto. Thanks for joining us again. Fel dyn ni'n edrych yn ôl ar yn Gwersi Cymraeg ni yn Forest. We're looking back at our Welsh lessons. Ac mae'n brofiad rhyfedd iawn gwylio'n hynna'n yn dysgu. It's a strange experience.
Very strange experience, ond mae'n ddefnyddiol, it's very useful I ni fel tutoriad. Wylio ein hynna, we watch ourselves teaching a class. It also reminds us, mae'n atgoffa ni hefyd, cymaint o hwyl oedd yn y stafell ddosbarth a cymaint oedd y dysgwyr ar dan, that they were on fire for the language.
Talking of fire, tân, oedden nhw'n mwynhau cael trafodaeth fach a chan fach o gwmpas y tân ddiwedd y dydd.
A'r gweithgareddau wedi dod I ben, amser I ymlacio o flaen y cromenni a thrafod rai o uchafbwyntiau ac isafbwyntiau'r dydd.
What was funny about the lobster was when Alfie pulled the lid off it and nearly pooed his pants.
Mae'n fyw.
I have learned today amolchi. Just one of many. Darllen. Just one of many. Darllen. Cimoch. Running is red egg.
Red egg. Oh, Alfie, you're on fire.
My flin dy fi. That is now stuck there. Peintio. Gweithio. Edrych.
I'm struggling with the new words.
Latest. My latest film.
Oh, that was Diweddaraf.
There we go.
Light. That's Ysgafn. And heavy is through.
Ysgafn. What's the Ysgafn?
Ysgafn's light.
Pen, ysgwyddiau,
Coesa traed.
O, drato coni off top. Dyn nhw byth yn anghofio'r caneuon ydyn nhw. Sa chi ddim diphthongs neu ansoddeiriau i'w adolygu neu rhywbeth?
Oh, that's a good one.
Ac ar ôl noson hwyr arall, oedd rhaid iddyn nhw godi'n gynnar yn y bore eto, doedd?
Oedd a sgwni a oedd gan wyn fwy o antics I ddeffro Alex.
Siwr o fod. Probably.
Hei ho! Hei ho! Hei ho! Lle wyt ti'r bwbach carpiog? O, dacw o, Rhys rygyfarch ar ysgafn droed, a'i gan o fawl I ddeffro'r byd. Sawl un o'n slebs sy'n dal I fod mewn trwmgwsg twfn tan gwrlid glid.
Bore da pawb, sut wyt ti?
Bore da Lucy, sut wyt ti?
Da iawn, diolch. I am looking forward to today. My activity this morning is an interesting one because I haven't done it before and because it's a very typical Welsh thing to do involving sheep and that sounded really weird.
Oedd braidd. Mae bob ar droed estoriad gwawr yn llon o'i fron boed beth yw'r awr.
Bore hyfryd unwaith eto. A dwi'n mynd I cawod unwaith eto. So, bore da. Ond, beth yw amser plant? Ie, mae'n amser I deffro Alex Winters unwaith eto.
I heard that bell. And I thought, I'm getting out of bed before this guy gets into bed with me with a grand piano. And bring him in, boys. Bring in the orchestra.
The thing is, right, I had something great planned today. I was going to do that, Tim. That would have got him up, wouldn't it?
O'r fadrali gamps. Mae gan dau ychydig o ben portalbot tybiaf.
Morning!
Ond nid felly Lisa, sy wedi codi fel bwni bic streipiog a gyda sgytwad cloi o ychynffon bwt I ffwrdd â hi i'w thwll. ond nid pawb sydd mor sionc.
So dwi wedi cysgu, I know sleep, dwi wedi cysgu 7, I don't know what an hour is.
Awr.
Hour. Oh yes, I do know what an hour is. Dwi wedi cysgu 7 awr. That's not bad for a conversation in Welsh in the morning, is it? That's not bad.
Na, dyw cwsg ddim yn esgus. Dysgu wrth gysgu yw llawen gri ysgwlyn.
Dwi wedi cysgu gyda my file. Mae Ioan yn dweud that if you read it before you go to sleep, that it goes in a little bit more. So I thought the closer it is to me, the better.
Och na fydde mwy yn debyg I ti. Lwsi'r swot.
Roedd Alex a Wyn yn ddoniol iawn. Oedden nhw'n real double act efo'i gilydd yn doedden nhw.
Chwarae teg I ti, Lucy, yn cysgu efo dy ffeil. Felly, sôn am ffeiliau, nôl â ni i'r stafell ddosbarth ac I wersi Ioan.
Bore da, bawb. Bore da. Croeso. Mae hi'n fore dydd llun. Bore dydd llun heddi. Bore, a nawr te, dyn ni'n gallu rhoi, ar ôl bore, dyn ni'n gallu rhoi geiriau to describe what kind of bore it is. Let's put say bore twym.
Twym.
Rai, beth arall ydych chi'n gallu dweud am y bore? Bore... Heilog.
Beth twym?
Twym. Warm. You can't have poeth. The gogs. The gogs. Mae'n nhw'n dweud bore poeth.
I'm going to write some of these
Right,
down.
bore poeth. I fyny yng Nghaernarfon. Right, ond lawr fan hyn bore twym. Bore twym. Bore heilog. Heilog, synnu. O'n i'n arfer byw yn ymyl ryl heilog.
Oh, right.
Beth? Ryl. Sunny ryl. Ryl heilog, is what they call it. Ryl heilog. Yeah, ryl heilog.
Contradiction in terms.
Well, actually, we did have that at the sun, actually. Right, yeah. Ond ryl heilog. Felly, bore twym, bore heilog. Beth all? Bore...
Bra.
Braf. Bore braf.
I don't know.
Bore braf. Lovely, nice, yeah. So,
Bore hyfryd.
Bore hyfryd. Bore hyfryd. Iawn.
Bore cynnar.
Bore cynnar. Cynnar. Early. The opposite of...
Hwyr.
Hwyr. So cynnar is early. Gwlyb. What is bore gwlyb?
Wet.
Wet morning. So we haven't had one of those in some time. So bore gwlyb. But we're gonna bore. If it's not bore gwlyb, those of you doing the wine tasting,
You might have.
what was the opposite of gwlyb?
Sich.
Sich. Da iawn. Sich. Sich.
Competitive shouting out.
And the word
Welsh.
sich is actually in the throat. It is dry, isn't it? So sich. So if you've been crawling through the desert, you're going sich. Sich.
What's wind?
Oh, bore.
Gwyntog.
Gwyntog. Bore gwyntog. So the papers are flying everywhere. Woo.
I'm going to have something.
You're going to hang on to the poles and let them fly off the kind of blind. Windy. Gwyntog. Gwyntog. Lots of adjectives for weather end in og. You've got haylog, sunny. Gwyntog, windy.
New log.
Oh, right. Now then, fan hyn, oedd byddeg, cyn i'r camerâu ddechrau rowlio, oedd byddeg fan hyn wedi gofyn cwestiwn I fi, sut yn dweud, I really like doing something or other. Ac yn y testyn, in the text, it talks about reina lla lleici gwallter. What do they like doing? They really like looking after their... So they're wrth ei gwesteion. Wrth ei bodda. Wrth ei bodda. So, but if you're talking about, I really like doing something, we'll be doing that later on today, but it's when they say, they really love looking after their gwesteion, their guests. But wrth y modd is you say, dwi wrth y modd means I really, 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 really like. It isn't just like doing licio or doing hoffi. Or even doing mwynhau with the hi. Doing mwynhau, I enjoy. You can say, I enjoy the odd glass of wine, I do. But if you...
When you say that.
I look over there, right? Ond dwi wrth y modd is where, you know, you're almost obsessional about, you really like this.
You're in your element.
You're in your element. This is what you really like doing. So, fan hyn, you could say two things. You could say, dwi wrth y modd yn chwarae golf. That means I really, 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 really love playing golf. So, ti eisiau buddig?
Buddig?
Ti eisiau dweud, dwi wrth y modd?
Dwi wrth y môr chwarae golf.
Right, iawn. But if actually he didn't play golf, he just liked to watch golf, he would say, dwi wrth y modd gyda golf. Gyda golf. I'm delighted with golf. So you can say, I could say, I'm really, I really like
Cricket.
chwarae cricket, okay? But I don't play it, right? So, no, that was luck. Beginner's luck, that was. No, I was... That was beginner's luck. I was telling you, no, because I... But no, so, if you say, I like something, but it's watching, you can say, dwi wrth y modd gyda. There are lots and lots of people who really enjoy watching rugby yng Nghymru, right? Dwi wrth y modd gyda rugby. But that's different from dwi wrth y modd yn chwarae rugby, because there you're a participant. Yeah, so dyna
Can you
gwahaniaeth.
change it to edrych?
Yeah, you could say dwi wrth y modd yn edrych ar rugby or gwylio rugby. Or another word you could use is dilyn.
Follow.
Follow. I really love following rugby.
Dilynwch y patrwm.
Dilynwch y patrwm, da iawn. Dilynwch, follow.
Pattern.
What is the main difference between edrych
Follow the
and
pattern.
gwylio?
Edrych means to look.
Yeah.
So edrych ar means to look at. Gwylio means to watch.
Ti'n gwybod ni beth swn i'n dwlu I gael nawr?
Ne?
Paned neu ddisgled ffres o de.
Syniad da. Ewch chi roi'r tegell mlaen, put the kettle on, a welwn chi ar ôl yr egwyl.